Drafting is a highly refined form of drawing used to communicate ideas to engineers, architects, and craft people. A pleasant morning to each one of you. We are the Group 2 and today we want to discuss the architectural draft using CAD or Computer Aid Design. And today, this is our discussion points. The congruent triangles, inequalities in triangles, parallel, perpendicular lines, and quadrilaterals. First, let's go to congruent triangles.
What are congruent triangles? If two triangles have the same size and shape, they are called congruent triangles. If we flip, turn, or rotate one of two congruent triangles, they are still congruent. If the two sides of two triangles are the same, then the triangle must have the same angles and therefore must be congruent.
How can we say that these examples are congruent? We can say that triangle ABC and DEF in the figure below are congruent because as you can see, their length and angle measurements match. As we define what is a congruent triangle is again, these are the triangles that share the same size and shape.
So we have 4 triangles in the following picture. And we have 2 pairs. The pair 1 is orange and green. The pair 2 is yellow and blue. They are congruent triangles because even though we flip, turn, or rotate one of 2 triangles, they are still congruent because they have the same size and shape. And let's proceed to inequalities in triangle.
What is the inequalities in triangle? In mathematics, the triangle inequality states that for any triangle, the sum of the length of any two sides must be greater than or equal to the length of the remaining side.
And let's move on to parallel lines.
Geometry. Parallel lines are coplanar infinite straight lines that do not intersect at any point. Parallel planes are planes in the same three-dimensional space that never meet. Parallel curves are curves that do not touch each other or intersect and keep fixed minimum distance.
Shapes can play important roles in the creation of drawings and paintings. Shape can help to create complex drawings and paintings, affect composition, and contribute to the balance within a work. Shape can also be defined as a two-dimensional area that is defined by a change in value or some other form or contrast.
A perpendicular is a line that makes an angle of 90 degrees with another line. 90 degrees is also called a right angle and is marked by a little square between two perpendicular lines.
So these two lines form a right angle where they meet here, 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 and here. The two lines must cross at right angles to each other.
Parallel. In the same plane, never intersect, always the same distance apart, have the same slope. Symbol is a two vertical line. Railroad tracks are an example. Perpendicular. In the same plane, always intersect at a 90-degree angle. One line has slope m, other has slope -1/m. Symbol is a upside down T. The letter T is an example.
What are quadrilateral lines? They have 4 sides. The sum of all interior angle is 360 degrees. They have 2 diagonals. A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. Must have 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles, and its diagonals must bisect each other.
We have 4 types of quadrilateral. First, we have simple quadrilateral. Second, convex quadrilateral. Third, complex quadrilateral. And fourth, concave quadrilateral.
Me and my group mates prepared a CAD or computer-aided design. So this is an example of computer-aided design. We use congruent triangles, inequalities in triangles, parallel, perpendicular lines, and quadrilaterals.
One of the best ways to improve your drawing skills is to draw something every day. The greatest way to begin a drawing is to focus by drawing shapes than drawing an outline on a piece of paper.
Speaking of speed, using a computer to sketch allows you to work much more quickly than using paper and pencil would. Shapes can play important roles in the creation of drawings and paintings. Using a computer to draw with shapes enables the creation of precise and reliable shapes and lines that are challenging to accomplish by hand.
Parallel lines are two or more than two lines that are always parallel to each other, and they lie on the same plane. No matter how long parallel lines are extended, they never meet each other. Parallel lines and intersecting lines are opposite each other. Parallel lines are the lines that in no case meet or have any chance of meeting. In the below given diagram, parallel lines are shown in two ways. Line A is parallel to line B, and line X is parallel to line Y.
And again, we are the group 2, and thank you for listening.